Hello everyone, here's a quick video that just goes along with today's email. So, basically on Mondays, there's a lot of flows that come into the market based on, what's happened over the weekend, and you can get faked out very easily. Especially today, we had a giant, move up overnight from Friday's close. And anyway, who knows what could have happened. I was able to catch a little bit of long, but a lot of the times you'll get kind of like this first move and then you'll get an impulse move in the opposite direction. Didn't happen today, but once that move occurred, I started noticing absorption. So you start seeing these red triangles, which is a study that I have, and it detects when market participants are aggressively adding offers to the order book. So this is a good indication of absorption. And then typically you get the aggression. In this case, we didn't get the aggression. We just got this slow drift lower, and we start seeing some absorption from buyers. So buyers absorbing sellers right through here. We didn't see any aggression from them, and basically just slow, continuous selling. And then we saw a big liquidation. Likely a lot of these folks ended up getting out here, and then another one again. And we start seeing some absorption later on as well. And this is mainly the point that I wanted to make. Initially, I was able to catch a bit of this long, but then got stopped out. Saw the aggression here, which is these, it's denoted by this green arrow that you can barely see. Typically, I don't use a 1 minute chart, like I'm showing right now, but just for the purpose of simplicity, I just created this chart today. Anyway, caught this, got stopped out, took a little bit of profits. And then we were in this zone that was just super choppy. I mentioned in Discord that I was just going to stay out of it and wait it out. And later on, we started seeing some aggression from buyers, especially this one right here. I ended up jumping in shortly after, like right around here, right after we crossed 6,800. I don't mind marketing in if I think the move is going to continue, and it did very nicely. So the point here is it's easy to get chopped up in this zone, and we spent about an hour through here. You can very easily hit your daily loss, max loss or whatever it's called in this zone just by trying to continuously pick the direction versus just waiting for the market to show the aggression and the breakout. And that's essentially what happened. Later in the session, we observed a little bit more absorption as we had this pullback and then this slow drift higher. We started seeing some absorption of buyers via sellers by offers, and didn't really materialize for them. We didn't really see any real aggression from sellers besides maybe right here, but didn't really materialize to anything. So we'll see what happens overnight. Maybe we'll get a bit of a move later in the overnight session to get all these people paid. We'll see. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Cheers, everyone.